Hello student, as just again welcomes you in this video. Dear student, today we will discuss the new topic of class 11th chemistry is energies of orbital. Dear student, as we know that the energy of orbital refer to the energy required to take an electron present in that orbital to infinity or energy released when an electron is added to that orbital from infinity. It means energy of orbital depends on the principal quantum number. Dear student, the energy of orbital increases as the following order that is given here. We can observe from here. Dear student, we have to notice in this section some important point. What is degenerate orbital? What is degenerate orbital? From here, it is clear that the orbital having same energy level is called degenerate orbital. The orbitals having same energy level are called degenerate orbital. It is clear in the coordinate chemistry in class 12 what is degenerate orbital when dd transition takes place. So we discussed there. What is ground state? Dear student, we know that the ground state of a quantum the ground state of a quantum mechanical system is its lowest energy state. It means ground state जो है क्वांटम मैकेनिकल सिस्टम का एक लोवेस्ट एनर्जी स्टेट है. ग्राउंड स्टेट रिप्रेजेंट द मोस्ट स्टेबल स्टेट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. इट मीन्स if more than one ground state orbital are present, then they are known as degenerate orbital. They are known as degenerate orbital. From here, if we plot a graph between the energy level and the orbital, then we observe that as we move upward, energy level is increases. 1s has lower energy, 2s more than 1s1, and 3s more than 2s. It means when we move upper direction, then we observe that energy level increases. What is effective nuclear charge? What is effective nuclear charge? The net charge of an electron experiences in an atom with multiple electron. This is called effective nuclear charge. It is represented as Z effective is equal to Z minus shielding effect. Shielding effect, what is shielding effect? The decrement in nuclear charge. The decrement in nuclear charge due to presence of innermost shell electron. This is called shielding effect. By putting these values, Z is the atomic number. By putting this value, we can calculate the effective nuclear charge. Now, filling of orbital in atoms. It means in atom orbital how filled. Orbital are filled, but how? The filling of electron into orbital of different atom takes place by following rules. First one is Aufbau principle. What is Aufbau principle? In this, in the ground state of an atom, the orbital are filled in order of their increasing energies. It means orbital's electron filling according to increasing order of energies. It means first electron lies in lower energy, then upper. In this case, we can fill the orbital by the electron. We can observe the following pattern. This is right as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. It means we start orbital filling from 1s, then it moves to the 2s. 2s again rotated to the 2p orbital. 2p के बाद 3s आएगा, 3p के बाद अगेन यहाँ से क्या स्टार्ट होगा 3p. This is the increasing order of energies for that particular orbital. In this way, we can fill the electron in these orbital and complete the electronic configuration of given element. For example, do the electronic configuration of calcium that have 20 electron. It means 20 electron filled in first from start 1s2, 2s2, second is 2p6, फिर 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. This is the pattern according to this graph. From here we can follow the pattern and we can solve any electronic configuration of given element. Dear student, next, what is the n plus L rule? Dear student, if the value of n plus L for given orbital is lower, then that orbital is filled first and its opposite is vice versa. It means those orbitals which have lowest value of n plus L is filled first. For example, here is 4p2 and 4s2 which has lowest value of n plus L. Then for 4p2 we can say that for p the value of n is 4, that represents the energy level. For p value of L is 1, discussed in azimuthal quantum number. And for 4s n is equal to 4, L is equal to 0. This is also discussed there. Then putting the value of this n plus L, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and here putting the value n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 0, then we will get 4. It means 4s has lowest value of n plus L. It means 4s filled before the 4p. So it is clear from here. Next is Pauli exclusion principle. What is Pauli exclusion principle? An orbital have maximum 2 electron and these must have opposite spin. According to Pauli exclusion principle, in orbital electron lies in this pattern. It means one electron direction is upward and other having downward direction. It is a correct pattern of filling electron. If we fill 1s2 electron like this, then it is a incorrect pattern that is described by the Pauli exclusion principle. One thing more described by the Pauli, it means he said that for any 2 electron all quantum number value will not set. It means किन्हीं 2 इलेक्ट्रॉनों के लिए चारों क्वांटम संख्या की वैल्यू बराबर नहीं हो सकती. इट मीन्स 3 क्वांटम संख्या की वैल्यू सेम हो सकती है लेकिन लास्ट वाली फिर क्या हो जाएगी, डिफरेंट हो जाएगी. इट मीन्स किन्हीं भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉनों के लिए चारों क्वांटम नंबर की वैल्यू सेम नहीं हो सकती. इट इज आल्सो एक्सप्लेन बाय द Pauli rules, Pauli's law. Last one is a Hund's law of maximum multiplicity. Hund's law of maximum multiplicity. What is this? According to this law, electron pairing in orbital p, d and f orbital cannot contain one electron each orbital occupied. It means किसी भी ऑर्बिटल में इलेक्ट्रॉन की पेयरिंग तब स्टार्ट होगी जब तक कि सब ऑर्बिटल में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ना हो जाए. पहले 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन सारे ऑर्बिटल में फिल कर देते हैं, फिर इनका पेयरिंग स्टार्ट से फिर पेयरिंग करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. इट इज डिस्क्राइब बाय द Hund's law. एंड फ्रॉम हियर फॉर 4p4 if p orbital filled by 4 electron, then observe here this is the wrong pattern according to Hund's law and this is the right pattern because 1 electron first lies in each orbital, then pairing start. So dear student, learn these things. So that's all for today this video, and as just we'll see you again. Thank you.